But before opening HTML code on a browser, let me share with you one more thing, that if you new to code and every single changes, you are reloading your browser to get last update, and this topic will be very helpful for you if you are using Visual Code Studio, because you no longer have to reload your browser repeatedly or even go into the directory file to open the code file. So you can simply run the code directly on live. But how? No worries. Just simply click over this extension panel, and from here just you need to search live server, and then you will get this extension, and from here you just need to install. You can see here already this extension is installed here in my Code Studio, that's why I don't need to install it again. So if you don't have, simply just search and install it, and then we have to open the file. But how? So for that, just click over this index.html file, and then you will get this option, open with live server. Just simply click over this option, and then it will take you to this browser. That means your code is run on live.